Welcome to the Frasers MG video walk round for the MG3 we now have available. This is a 70 plate MG3 1.5 Excite 5 door. This is one of our demonstrator vehicles, finished in Arctic White with the MG graphics kit, door mirror caps and wheel bolt covers as well fitted to it. It has the balance of the MG 7-year 80,000 miles warranty. Comes with 2 keys as well. Specification on the car includes remote central locking, diamond cut alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, front LED daytime running lights, automatic headlights, electrically operated door mirrors as well, along with front and rear electric windows. Other specification features inside include a height adjustable driver's seat, along with height adjustable steering wheel audio controls as well, touchscreen infotainment system which houses DAB radio, Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay. Air conditioning also features along with a USB input. Space for 3 in the back with 3 3-point seat belts, and the outer rear seats have Isofix child seat preparation. Good size boot for the size of the car, and there's a 60-40 split fold in the rear seats. So this car's available to view at our Edinburgh branch, which is Frasers Edinburgh MG. You can find us at 553 Gorgie Road in Edinburgh. Postcode is EH11 3LE. You can also view the car online at www.fraserscars.co.uk, or you can give the sales team a call on 0131 443 2293. Thanks for watching.